Up in the Arctic, glaciers crack like gunshots. In Antarctica, ancient ice melts faster each year, exposing land no human eyes have seen. Scientists drill cores to read the climate of ages past. But what if they're not just uncovering frozen water? What if giants slept in ice and are waking now? Every culture remembers giants. The Bible speaks of the Nephilim, beings of enormous size, who lived before the flood. Norse myths tell of frost giants, enemies of the gods. Native traditions across the Americas speak of tall, red-haired beings who once walked the land, some friendly, some fearsome. These stories don't fade because they carry memory, maybe not metaphor, but history. Imagine an age when Earth was wilder, when humans weren't alone. Giants, Roja made 10, 12 feet tall, strong as bears, living in caves and mountains. Floods and ice ages came, sweeping them away. Or so we thought. What if they weren't gone, only trapped, bodies entombed in glaciers, preserved like mammoths in Siberia, waiting for warmth to stir them again? From a native perspective, ice is not that it's alive. It holds memory. The spirits of ancestors are said to sleep in stone and water, waiting for the right season to return. If giants were once part of this world, the ice may have been their coffin or their cradle. As the world warms, reports flicker at the edges of news. Strange bones found in thawing tundra, massive footprints in melting permafrost, rumors of military teams airlifting frozen anomalies. Most laugh, but the whispers persist. If glaciers release mammoths, why not something taller, stronger, stranger? Picture this. Deep in Greenland, a research team drills through ice layers and finds not just bone, but a whole figure. Skin leathery hair, still red, teeth like stone chisels. A giant, frozen in sleep for thousands of years. They radio back in disbelief, but the body stirs before they can transport it. Eyes opened blue as glacial water. The consequences would be enormous. Religions would stir with validation of ancient stories. Governments would scramble to contain or weaponize the discovery. But more than that, we would face the reality that Earth is not ours alone, that other people's, older and larger, still share this home. And maybe they're not all frozen. Maybe some survived, hidden in caves deep below ice, waking slowly as the climate shifts. Imagine hikers in the Canadian North hearing footsteps that shake the ground. Imagine Inuit hunters whispering that old stories are walking again. If giants are waking, what do they want? To reclaim lost lands? To guide humanity back to balance? Or to rage at a world that forgot them? The answer may already be stirring in the ice, waiting for us to listen. If giants slept in ice and are waking now, then the melting poles are not just an environmental crisis. They're a revelation. The past isn't good, it's thawing, stretching, rising to walk again.